Be greeted, my esteemed audience. I already want to extend to you in advance a warm welcome from all the residents of our stately mansion. Be in for a surprise and dare to take this step by participating in an adventurous sightseeing of our villa.